Okay, one small job for these little minicross bike. The starting system is off from here, and here it is, the spring. This is the second spring, it's intact. This goes like this. Something like that. But now I'll show you how to get this back to this side. And then this one. There's a little gap there. The spring end comes here and there. Just need to rotate it here. Okay, let's try this. This will stuck everywhere, but this goes here, and then we'll just start to rotate it. Okay, now it's there. Then we need to get this one to the right place. I think it's pretty close. Rotate this here. Then that face. This is the hardest part. It needs to be just in the right place. There it goes. I think it's now at the bottom. Then this. Like that. There's a little gap there. We'll just put a washer there, and then like this. It's a bit sticky. Okay, I think it works now. Like that. A bit loose, but let's open this. Now we'll get this spring here. Okay, now it's tight. Now this here. Let's put some start mist here. Okay. Good. Ah, it is just pop up. Yeah.